is cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this cute highlighted wig. I am obsessed. Usually I don't go for units that are, this short. This one's 10 inches long, but I'm absolutely feeling it and loving it. And I'm pretty sure it's due to this color. So if you guys are interested in seeing me install this unit and what I think about the unit, then continue to watch. Before we jump into the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well, and then follow me on my socials, which will be right here on the screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go. Okay guys, so let's jump into the install. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is this ultra cute packaging of MyShinyWigs. This purple or pink or whatever you want to call it / yellow box is so vibrant and so eye-catching. I am a sucker for cute packaging. So inside the package comes a huge headband, one of those oversized headbands that is very trendy right now, as well as some 25mm lashes and of course a wig cap. And it comes in this cute silky bag. So the unit I'm reviewing today is this 10-inch bob, and it is ultra highlighted. It is super duper highlighted. There's highlights all around it. It is a lace closure unit. So it's about, I think it's about a 4x4 to be honest, or it might be a 5x5. It's a little bit wider than a 4x4, so I think it might be 5x5. I'm not exactly sure. Check my description box for the correct details, but it comes with these super highlighted portions right here in the front of your face. So I'm gonna wear it as a middle part. The way the unit has been made, it seems like it's supposed to sit as a middle part. I tried it in a side part for a second and I was like, this looks too offset with how one side was longer and one side was shorter. I just don't like that style personally, so I just went ahead and set it in the middle like I do. So I'm using a couple of products today. I'm going to use my Got To Be spray as well as this master stick. It's like a wax stick from ZL, and I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. This stick is so amazing. It is my ultimate favorite. It was sent to me a couple of weeks ago and I've been using it non-stop. It is my favorite and I definitely will have to get another one. So make sure you guys check that out as well. So to install this unit, I'm just going to do something simple. Just use the Got To Be spray. First I had to go in and pluck the mess out of the closure. It was pretty full, especially for my liking. I would prefer it to be a little bit less full in the front, especially since I knew I wasn't going to do any baby hairs. I needed to make sure that it looked really natural once I put my freeze spray on there, that it was just going to blend. And that's exactly what happened once I was able to pluck out that front a little bit and just make it look a little bit more light, a little bit more loose, a little bit more natural. So once I got finished with the spray, I used my blow dryer on that just to make sure it stays put. I went ahead and started straightening the hair out. It's a super easy process, and that's another thing I like about this wig is how easy maintenance it'll be as far as styling it. Super easy to do. So all I did was just go over each piece since it came out of the package a little bit crumbled. All I did was just go over it and straighten it out and give me a little flip at the ends, and truthfully that was it. I added some powder to my parting space, put some powder right there in the front of the closure as well, and we were done. This unit is actually super good quality, no shedding at all, of course no tangling. It's a shorter unit. I do like how full it is. It's a lighter density, so if you get it, don't expect it to be just super duper duper full all the way around, but it's full enough that it doesn't look like it has missing hair or missing bundles. I do like the density of it, and it is an exact 10 inches as well. It still has its body. I put a little bit of spray on there. The closure was super easy to work with. The only thing you would do if you are a beginner, you would have to, if you're not comfortable with it, you would have to pluck this unit out just to make it flow a little more, right there in the front so it melts into your skin. That's the only thing that I say would have or require like hard work with it. Oh, I also did the adjustable straps in the back because I wanted it to fit as good as possible, so I didn't feel like it was going to be loose or budging or anything. So I would recommend doing your adjustable straps as well. This unit does, I think it's an average size cap to be honest, but it felt a little big for me, so I did do the adjustable straps. and I'm on the bigger headed side. If you have any questions, like I always say, just leave it in the comment section below. But other than that, guys, I really like this unit. You guys should try it out. Check out my description box below, and make sure you check them out on social media as well. I'll put that in the description bar as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you again to MyShinyWigs for sending me this unit today. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.